adopt it, it can help us to do our jobs far better, make lives easier also. So today we'll be talking about data-driven decision and policy formulation. So, so thank you so much to Gov Connect. It's an honor to be here in Goa among the visionary leaders who will be driving this agentic AI change also forward like the digital India which we are seeing here. So what exactly are we seeing for as the key imperatives which are needed for the delivery of a scheme or in general any citizen public services? So one is the evolving citizen needs. We have seen even in the government, the change has been drastic in a good way. We used to apply for schemes through paper-based forms, which now are digitized to a portal-based system. There were the traditional channels of phone call, email, or walking into an office and talking to somebody. You have a query or an email. That has now been taken over by digital channels, social media, WhatsApp. So continuously, technology is evolving over a period of time, and it is really evolving fast. If we see in the last 4 to 5 years. So again, if I take an example, UPI in the term of payments, or if we see even deliveries. So be it food deliveries or even be it now our grocery deliveries, everything is come down from 1 day deliveries to 10 minutes, and we don't know where that goes from there on. So citizens have that expectation now that even the government will be giving very personalized services, and there will be speed in the execution of these citizen services going forward. So that along with the data-driven approach. So we do understand there is a lot of citizen data across departments which is available. There will be different processes. Some departments have gone completely online. There are certain other departments we are doing online in the process also. So utilizing all of that data which is now in different departments, how do we channel that cross-departmental data to get insights to take decisions faster and delivering on the public trust with cloud. So what we've also seen is because these massive volumes in terms of any citizen engagement, staying up to speed or delivering that to the citizen on time is of utmost importance. And that queries or grievances coming in is huge. So if that support to the officers is provided in terms of maybe as simple as a chatbot setting a long conversation at the back end, resolved an entire query or a grievance, immediately the whole ticket context is understood by the AI. The problem statement, the solution is immediately saved with one click. What this helps you to do is another on a government portal or a grievance that I have. Based on the subject of the description that I start filling in, there is an article which is readily available. AI suggests that two benefits for this. One is 24/7 presence of an AI bot on the WhatsApp or on the portal itself. Second is instant resolution to the simple L1 queries or repeated queries that the department sees. Something as simple which can be where is my application stuck? How many days will it take? Or I made a payment for a service, but it has not gone through. Routine queries are taken care of. Complex queries come to the officers or the team at the backend, and then the co-pilot assists the team at the backend as well. So that is where we've taken these cases and we tried to build a solution which was good across the different industries also, but now from a public sector standpoint, globally we are seeing this, and we keep adding use cases as and how we are seeing it. So this is just an example which I have kept of a Citizen 360 view. This was the interdepartmental collaboration that I was talking about. And if data from multiple departments come in, how can that be very handy? So suppose if, and I'll take an example here. Suppose there is a scheme which is launched that somebody with a particular income level has to be given, or a scheme has to be pulled out. There are certain checks to be done for that. What if the department data is available to see that particular person actually qualifies for the scheme, rather than somebody who has applied but may not be eligible for it? So those are the agentic AI use cases which can come in. So you can see that the entire history of one screen for any officer will be visible. Not only that, what are the different bank details, what are the bank records or the eligible schemes show up on one screen directly. Now I will some of the quick cases, so directly coming to one of them which is benefit management. So I was talking about the two or three cases which I told you, which is the form filling assistance and the bot itself. But giving that personalized history to the citizen also. Suppose the citizen logs in and they come to know that they are also eligible for a certain set of schemes. This can be one part of it. How can they come to the portal? There can be an outreach which would have happened from the government in a proactive approach which led them to this. So outreach is important not only from schemes, but what we see in India is citizens want to be heard. They are writing a lot on social media also. So if proactively people the government can address those things which are coming in as problem statement, maybe on a Twitter, maybe on a WhatsApp, and take that proactive action also, the citizens feel happy. Overall, the CSAT score goes up and now, from a grievance standpoint, there are two parts to it. Grievance or even query management, if I talk about it. One is the citizen-facing side of things, which identity AI is taking care of, taking care of. It can be as simple as if somebody wants to understand a particular policy document, which is huge, maybe 20, 30 pages. What if agentic AI summarizes it in a couple of lines, and the relevant documents are provided to you on time? So you get the gist of it is what documents are needed, how do I proceed? This can be the front-end side of it, but the back-end grievance management, as I was saying, can be a lot like a co-pilot which assists your officers. And in Salesforce, what we have also done is all our applications are mobile-friendly. So even if you are on the go, you have that application on your iOS or Android phone, you get those notifications when you log in. Priority cases are brought up which are going to reach your SLAs. You can start working on them. Overall, the average handling time of these similar type of cases would come down and you can focus on the more complex issues. So, coming to the last bit of it, so just to summarize it all, we see that there are thousands of ground or field level officers which are available who are generating this data about citizens on a day-to-day matter. It can be an inspection that they are doing it or at a factory. It can be a scheme launched where maybe an PM Awas for an example, where they have to go and physically inspect or take down certain details about a citizen. All of that data which is coming in, at the department level, what happens is based on that data, the KPIs can be defined and it is taken up to the secretary levels or up to the officer levels. That gives the power not only at the top to make decisions, but also at the very bottom for the field officer or the officers where citizens come in, so that they also are able to serve citizens in a better manner. So I will end this presentation here. Thank you so much for your time.